Hi folks, welcome back. Just a wee quick video to let you know that I'm still alive. I've been away on holiday on the Costa del Roof terrace this week. As the weather's been so nice in Blackpool, it seemed a shame to waste it. So rather than being in the garage, I've been messing about in the house and on the roof terrace. So here we go. Wee postie arrived today with a couple of wee tools from it. One of these hole punch jogglers and a nice little 3-inch cut off tool. So, waste of time. As per usual, they send you these airline connections. It's a wee fat stubby one. I used a long thin one. So luckily I've got a couple in my drawer. So I'll just get them assembled. Go and grab some tools. PTF. And put my eyes on. Get some light in the job. Safety plugs that they put on the ends of them. Wouldn't be a plumber if I didn't put PTF on it. Nip up. No, I'm only using my little adjustable. You don't need a lot of tightening up these. They're pretty much self-sealing, especially when you've put a bit of PTF on them. In case you're wondering why I always use that airline when there's an airline right alongside me. It's, this one's got an oil feed in it, so it actually feeds the tools. One of these little oilers. He is the main man himself. He's been chilling out the roof all week as well. The way forward. Panel work. And a little 3-inch cut off tool. Grinder in that there, but it's just I didn't have another male, so I had a female with a nipple, so I'll just put a nipple into the female and that'll do for now. Saying the little 3-inch cut off tool is just that wee bit neater and easier to get into certain things, and the facing at the 90 degree just makes it that wee bit more accessible for certain things. dog's giving me the evil eye there. He wants out. I'll need to wait till assemble these. Take it for a wee wander. As I was saying, so I've been neglecting the welding practice because, as I said, the weather's been rather nice here in Blackpool, so I've been up on my roof terrace sunning myself, as you can probably tell by the colour of my face, colour of my hands. Got a fair wee bit of sun on me. So yeah, so it's a bit dull today, so I may get into it this afternoon after lunch. As I say, it's only 12 o'clock just now, so I'm going to upload this wee bit of footage for you, have some lunch, and I may just spend a couple hours in the garage this afternoon getting a wee bit of welding practice. Maybe take Mr. Donaldson up his offer of a video call while I'm doing it. You're gonna give me some tuition online. So I'll video that for you as well. Let's see how that one goes. We'll get a laugh with that if nothing else. But anyway, back to the little cut off tool. Schoolboy error. Call it on the wrong way around. It's got a recess in it, which is what happens when you don't put your eyes on. Good enough. As I say, come in handy. And some extra discs I ordered. The rest of them in the drawer. It's my wee disc drawer and cutter drawer, and my flappy wheels and stuff all live in that drawer. Keeps them all neat and tidy and all in one place. Now we need to find a home for them. Won't fit in that drawer. Need to go in one of the lower drawers, which are deeper, and they're all full, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, we'll find a home for them. Yeah, just stick them in there. Bottom one that's only got a little sandblaster and stuff in it, so it's got one of these wee spot blasters in it and some other bits and pieces, so that'll do that for now. Put the instructions in that way. Bin the rubbish. recycle our cardboard and stuff, but because of this lockdown thing we're not doing anything like that, so all the rubbish is just going in the one bin for now. So I'll just throw it all, take Doug for a wee wander. So, as I said, that was just a wee quick video just to let you know that I was still alive, so hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give us a wee like and a subscribe. And as I've said before folks, stay safe out there. Take care. Ta-ra.